Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name's Jenna. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. We're kind of starting off in a different place. As you can see, we're in my bathroom. But we are doing a get ready with me for my first day of winter classes. So as you can see, I'm in my PJs. These are actually my Christmas PJs. There's a cute little pair of shorts with them, but you can't see them because you guys are up here. But yeah, we will just be going through what I chose for my outfit and what my makeup is, and then I'll do a quick hairstyle, and yeah, let's get started. Right, so first things first is the outfit. Today I pulled out a pair of light ripped jeans, this cute little bodysuit tank top thing that I got for Christmas this year, and I'm going to pull out a black blazer, I think, over top and see how that looks for the outfit today. So I will be right back and show you guys what this outfit looks like. Alright, so this is the final look. I paired it with a 3/4 sleeve length blazer, and then this shirt is striped. It's kind of hard to see, but it's a nice striped material. And then I went with the nice ripped jeans. I like to pair kind of blazers with jeans a lot. I think it's a fun way to dress up a casual look. I also went with a pair of black booties for shoes. And yeah, I feel really comfortable. I'm like in all of that. So yeah, I really like this outfit. Let's get on to the makeup for this look. Also, I'm sorry if the lighting is a little wonky. I left my ring light with my sister at home for her to bring back with her because I didn't have room to pack it in our car. So it'll be back hopefully for the next video, and yeah, let's get on to makeup. Alright, so I did my base off camera. I started with the CoverGirl True Blend Base Business, the skin smoothing one, and then I went in with the It Cosmetics CC cream in light medium. I really have liked the CC cream. It has SPF 50 in it, and it's also a little bit tanner than what I am. But it's not bad, so it gives me a little bit of extra color that I kind of need right now. And then I added a little bit of the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Fair Rose, just with my eyes and a little bit on like my nose area and a little bit here, and like there, just to kind of, it didn't really add much, but it just adds a little bit of extra coverage. Now I'm going to go into bronzer, just a little bit, not a lot. I'm going to use the Hoola Light bronzer. It's not as dark as my other one, and I will go in with that same brush. So I'll put a little bit on there, and like I said, I don't do a lot, just enough. And like I said before, I like how this one doesn't really muddy my skin. I'm using this so that way it's a little mirror that I got for Christmas as well. I'm planning on doing a Christmas gift, what I got for Christmas, next week. So I'm going to start with makeup, because I got a lot of makeup stuff, and so I'll do my makeup with some of the stuff I got for Christmas from my aunts, and then I will also do another week of what I got for Christmas fashion-wise, like style-wise, which this is one of those, so make sure you guys go check those out when I have those are done. Alright, I don't know why I just bronzed my forehead so much, but like I said, it's like kind of similar to the Fit Me powder. It doesn't really add much, but it's a little bit. I'm going to go in with a little bit of blush, and then I think I'll be done with my face makeup, just because I don't really like to do a lot if I don't have to. Just a teeny bit to add some dimension. Sorry if I'm getting really close to you. Alright, so I think that's good. Like I said, I just kind of I'd like to do more of a natural look for school, but let me make sure my lighting in here is not the greatest. Probably not the best place to do my makeup at, but it's fine. Alright, and then I'm going to do a quick eyeshadow look. First I'm going to do my eyebrows just to wrong side, just to fill them in a bit. I'll do those off camera so that way I can save some time. Alright, so I just did my eyebrows and I primed my lids off camera. To do my eyebrows, I used the Brow Wiz pencil by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the soft brown. I also used their clear brow gel to set those. And then for the primer, I used the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I really like this stuff. I actually realized I was using it wrong. You're only supposed to do like 1 or 2 swipes and then set it with your finger, and I figured that that's probably why I have sometimes trouble with the blending out. So when I do my everyday look, I don't do actually that much. I use these like 3, and I'm using the Tartelette in Bloom palette by Tarte. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this Smarty Pants here, and I'm going to add it to my crease area. Just a little bit. And then I go in with my finger with the one next to it, the lighter shade here in Flower Child, and tap that in on the inner corner. I just find that the pigment stays better when I do that. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Like I said, this is like an everyday look, so it makes it super easy. And then I just kind of take another brush and kind of a clean one and blend it out a little bit. And yeah, that's kind of all I do with that. I don't think I'm gonna do eyeliner today. I don't think it's necessary to do it. So I'm just going to throw on some CoverGirl Exhibitionist on my lashes. I'm already going to apologize for my face with this. Oh no, I got some on my face. I got a little bit right here. Alright, so we are on to the lips now. I'm going to use the NYX Professional Makeup in the color... what is this? So this is the NYX, one of the NYX lip pencils. It is called the Nude Suede Shoes. I don't use it a lot, I just use it a little bit to give me a little bit of definition on my lips. It's about the same color as my lips. And I have to wear a mask in class, but it's kind of why I like using the lip liner, because I can kind of color in part of my lip, which I know that's not what they're supposed to be used for, but that's what I use it for. And then I'm going to use the Revlon Super Lustrous Nude Eliminator lipstick and put that on top. So I really like this color. And yeah, that is my look completed. Oh, let's add on some Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. I said that enough. I think I just do one more spray. Alright, so for you college kids, are you guys ready to go back to school? Because I know I'm not today, and so that's part of the reason I wanted to do my makeup, was to kind of get back into the swing of things and get back to being situated. But I'm going to quickly go do my hair. I'll quickly do my hair right now. I just am going to do, I think, in a messy bun. That's one of my go-to looks. But first, let's brush it out. When I do messy buns, I just do a rough brush, so even if it's not perfect, I just like the tops to be smooth. And then I use my Monat dry shampoo. Monat is a brand that you can only purchase online. I really like the products. It's an MLM, so do what you will with that. I truly love the products. I had a hard time when I first started with them because I didn't find the right products for my hair. But overall, I really do like the products. I think they work really well, and they've made my hair actually like wavy again, which it was never this wavy. So my hair's never felt healthier than they do with those products. All right, flip. Alright, so I twirl my hair to do my messy buns. I go around once, I tuck in the ends, and then I take a scrunchie and go over it like that. And then I kind of tug a little bit just to give a little bit of volume there. And yeah. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are starting school this week or in the upcoming weeks, I hope you guys have a wonderful first day of the winter semester. But yeah, I will see you guys next week with a what I got for Christmas. I know it's later than most, but given the fact that I got engaged over the break on the 26th, I wanted to spend time with my fiance and our families and just really focus on on them. So that's why. Also, I'm not wearing my ring right now because it is in the jewelry shop getting resized. It was a little too big, which is no fault to him. He did his best. He grabbed one of my rings, and when I lost the weight in law school, I didn't realize how much weight I actually lost in my hands. So none of my rings actually fit me properly, which I did not know. But that's okay. That's kind of part of it. He did a wonderful job. But I'll do a story time later on with that. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week. I will see you guys next week again. And my fun fact for today is that I guess my fun fact is that I got engaged. I know it's kind of a weak one, but I posted it on Instagram, I think right after the new year. So if you guys have not followed me on Instagram, make sure you guys follow me there at Miss_Jenna_D_. You can also follow me on Twitter at JennaDMiss and on Facebook at Miss_JennaD. I will see you guys next week. I love you. Bye.